Simplifying your color palette in Hostinger's website builder is a straightforward process that can dramatically improve your site's visual appeal. Here's how to refine and enhance your website's color scheme for a more professional and cohesive look. To kick things off, access Hostinger's website builder and navigate to the styles where you'll manage your color palette.
Identify the existing colors in your palette. Hostinger's builder typically displays these in the color settings section. Decide on a primary color that represents your brand or the desired mood of your website. This color will dominate your website's appearance. Choose one or two secondary colors that complement your primary color. These should be used sparingly to accent and highlight.
Remove any unnecessary or clashing colors from your palette. Aim for 3 to 5 colors in total to maintain simplicity. Apply your simplified color palette to various elements of your website, such as text, backgrounds, and buttons, to see how they harmonize. Preview your website with a new color palette. Ensure that it looks cohesive and visually appealing. Finally, save your changes and publish your updated website.
This streamlined approach to color will make your website more aesthetically pleasing and effectively communicate your brand's message.